Hi everyone, welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Yemapop. And guess what? I'm doing a collaboration with a good friend of mine, Isabella. Let's get her. There she is. And guys, look at some of her contents. They are amazing. So if you're done with my video, please make sure to visit her channel. Alright, let's go back to my Yemapop. Look at that. That's really nice and pretty, right? So if you're interested in making this, stay tuned and join me. All right, let's start preparing these Yemapop. Okay, starting with some raw almonds. I like my nuts raw. Wait, that did not come out right. Oh my god. All right, let's just toast my nuts. Oh man, that also did not come out right. Oh, sorry about that. All right, let's put this in the grinder and let's start grinding my nuts. Whatever. All right. Now let's prep the Yema mix with 2 condensed milk. I'm only adding 1 can at this point because I'm going to add the other one in the middle of the process and I will show it to you later. Now we're going to add 2 egg yolks. Whoop! What? Some kind of magic? One more? What? Anyways, now it's time to agitate. Guys, make sure you're mixing this really good and make sure it's well incorporated. See how nice and smooth? Alright, let's heat up the pan. Oh, by the way, most people like to add butter in the beginning, but I am going to add my mix first. Guys, you will find out why I'm doing this. And now I'm going to cook this in medium heat and I'm going to mix this non-stop for 2 minutes. There you go. See the brown spots in there? Now you can add the butter. Alright, so I'm going to mix this for 2 more minutes. And I'm going to add the condensed milk and it will look like this. It's time for shout out. Guys, if you're not familiar with these channels, oh, you're missing out. They have great contents, guys. Great vlog, great everything. So please check them out. Alright, so we'll continue cooking this for a few more minutes until we get the consistency that we like. Let's sprinkle our, I don't want to say it, nuts. Okay, anyways. Alright, let's continue mixing this until we get the consistency that we like. It's almost done. There it is. That's what we want. And we're going to set this aside and we'll cool it down for 10 minutes. And then, while waiting for that, we'll prepare our sprinkles. Nice colors, right? Get the shapes of these Yemas. Guys, I actually asked my sister-in-law and my wife to help me with the shape and they did amazing. You guys can do any style or shapes you want. And now they're about to decorate. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I post weekly videos. If you like this one, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, smash that subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And also please share it with your friends. Nice, they're almost done, guys. Guys, look at that. Oh, I like this nice pink color. Looks masculine. Alright, and my sister-in-law is working on the triangle. Nice blue color. She did mushroom? Wow, and what's this? Kabaing buntis? What? Let me take a look again. Oh, never mind. It's a cat, I think. Oh, look at this, guys. I know you guys can do this as well. It's so easy, right? This is great for parties, especially for your kids' birthday party, right? I did that one, the circle one, and the mushroom. Yeah. Whatever, right? Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and make sure you share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.